No, I don't know how he gets down the chimney. I think it's magic, actually. Hello friends, I'm John from Ninja Golf, and I'm here at the Ninja News Desk with my holly jolly Tomodachi, Basho. Say hello, Basho. Yes, today we're letting you know how we can help you make this the best holiday season ever with an amazing hands-on activity, a festive and fun holiday market with Santa and s'mores, and the return of our annual half-price membership and gift card sale. Basho, are you ready to share the news? Yes, I think that means yes. All right, Ninja Golf friends, come out for an afternoon filled with local shopping, yummy treats, festive activities, and tasteful holiday vibes at our 6th annual holiday market. Very excited. It happens on Saturday, December 6th. This is from noon to 3 p.m. The market is free and it's fun for all ages. Grab a hot cocoa or coffee from Victorian Pantry, find unique gifts and treats for your loved ones or for yourself. Hey, get something for yourself, treat you, right? So visit Samurai Santa at the S'mores Bar and make sure you stop by the Botany Shop booth to craft your own mini winter wreath to take home. Basho, will you be there? Probably guarding the S'mores Bar, I imagine. Yes. So December 6th, noon to 3, we will see you there. Friends, if you're looking for an amazing experience, either to get you in the festive mood or to gift to a family member, or if you need a special holiday hangout with your friends, then you'll want to sign up for the hands-on holiday wreath making workshops coming up here at Ninja Golf. It's on December 5th and the 6th and the 7th. There's 3 workshops. The specifics and sign-up links can be found on our website, playninjagolf.com. I know my mom, Judy, is getting this gift for Christmas. Please don't tell her. But Basho, do something fun and awesome with someone that you love. Space is limited, so you need to sign up today. I could go on and on about how fun this workshop's gonna be. It's gonna smell amazing. But let's hear from your expert instructor from the Botany Shop to tell you more.
Thank you so much, John. Paul here with the Botany Shop. We are so excited to be joining Ninja Golf on December 5th, 6th, and 7th to bring you this hands-on holiday wreath making experience. We will be creating a 24-inch custom wreath made of your choice of mixed greens. We've got white pine, cedar, juniper. We'll also have on hand your option to select a bow in buffalo check, red, green, silver, gold, you name it, we'll have it. We'll also have other options like adding bells, oranges, and pine cones. We are so excited to be collabing with Ninja Golf this December 5th, 6th, and 7th. We can't wait to see you there. And back to you, John.
Ninja Golf members and wannabe members and anyone needing a great gift that gives back all year long, Basho and I have some great news. The Ninja Golf annual 5-day half-price family membership, buddy pass, and gift card sale is fast approaching. It's very exciting. So from Thursday, November 27th, also known as Thanksgiving Day, through midnight on Monday, December 1st, you can purchase or renew your family membership or buddy pass and get gift cards to stuff into those stockings or slide under pillows for 50% off on our website, playninjagolf.com. If you don't know the benefits about membership at Ninja Golf, memberships allow unlimited mini golf play for you and your household. Also, grandparents are included, which is a great benefit. That's for the whole year, plus discounts on laser maze, party bookings, all our cool merchandise, and our treats including amazing ice cream from Ashby's. Buddy passes are for an individual plus one person, and they get unlimited mini golf plus all the same discounts. Memberships make great gifts. Wouldn't you agree, Basho? Yes, of course. If you prefer to buy in person or you want to buy multiple memberships as gifts or you want physical gift cards, then you can visit us at the Ninja Golf Dojo on site on Saturday and Sunday. That's November 29th and 30th, and we'll help you out with that. Happy to, from noon to 5:30. Thank you so much. Memberships are so uplifting to us. We see the names that roll in, especially those who are renewed year after year, and it makes us think that we might be doing something right here at Ninja Golf, making special memories for you. You make special memories for us. So we're so grateful, extra grateful this time of year, as we should be, of course. So thank you for the love and support. Arigato. That's all the news we have for today. Basho and I are heading back out to Ninja Golf Follow our socials, playninjagolf.com for updates. We have more events in the planning, including holiday bingo, s'mores indoors, and free ice cream days. Yum, perfect. So stay in touch, be kind. Basho, anything you'd like to add? Yes, of course, and have a happy new year. Bye-bye.